Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how you can make these cool Filmstrip Style Transitions in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. Here I've brought two video clips in my timeline. Now I wanted to add a Filmstrip transition in between these two video clips. To make this transition, go to Video Transition. From here search for Filmstrip. Now before applying this video transition, we've to do this one simple step. Otherwise, video transition wouldn't work properly, so just come up to these clips, and from here just trim few frames from the end of the first clip, as well as just trim few frames from the beginning of the second clip, and now just bring closer these two clips to each other, something like these. And now if we place these video transition in between these two video clips, now if we just play and see the Filmstrip video transition has got applied in between these two video clips, and also, if we go to the Inspector tab, we can be able to adjust various parameters for these Filmstrip video transition. Just like that, we can make these Filmstrip style transition in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video useful, then please like and subscribe. Happy editing!